This jack's really unusual. Little tiny handle. This big wire thing here, which is actually for picking it up, I believe, because it's sort of in its centre of gravity, even though it's linked down this end. Found the nameplate after I cleaned it up, and it's got this fully adjustable little plate. Can't quite work that out, but actual jack's mint. I mean, it pumps up like a dream. It's only a minimum of handle lift. It absolutely works like brand new. Springs, everything inside. And then to let it down, how cool is this? It's got a little lever there. If I do that, down she goes. Smooth as a brand new one.